Okay.
So remember, to solve this, we move from the smaller to the larger.
Okay.
So which way do we move? Do we move the 5x to the 4x or the 4x to the 5x?
5x to 4x.
Okay, see, so that's not smaller though. The smaller is the
4x to 5x.
Okay, so you're gonna subtract 4x from both sides. So that becomes x plus 3 equals 1.
Yep, equals 1. And then you have to subtract both sides by 1.
Nope, you look at the side with the variable.
Subtract both sides by 3.
Yes.
And that equals -2.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you ready to do another one?
Yeah.
You have this down in your notes?
Okay, so 5x plus 3 equals 4x plus 1. I already got like these examples in my notes. I got like some of them in my notes.
Okay, let's you ready? Do you
Like
have
hold
this one
on.
down?
Like hold on. Let me check out my notes for a minute. Yeah, I already got this in my notes. I already got the same problem in my notes.
So we're just reviewing a few from last time. So
Yeah,
I'm
I already got it
waiting.
out. I'll show it to you.
No, I don't need you to show it to me. I'm going to give you a new problem to do. Okay, and want you to try it. Okay, and
Yeah,
you're
this is
welcome to look at your
exactly the
notes.
same problem. It's the same problem.
Okay, well, I'll give you some new problems here then. All right, so go ahead and solve this for me, please. This is a new
Okay.
problem.
That's 1x right there.
Okay, go ahead and solve it completely. Get x by itself.
$15.
X equals 15. Good. Right. So let's try another one here. Let's try 4x minus 6 equals 2x minus 10. Okay. This is a new problem here. And again, you move from the smaller to the larger.
Okay. X equals -4.
Okay, what did you do first? How did you solve this?
I saw the exact same things. Just remember, put the smaller problem and subtract both sides by a smaller number, which is
So what did you
2x.
subtract on both sides?
2x.
Okay. So 2x minus 6 equals -10. Now what did you do?
Now what do I do? Then now what I did is that I add 6 by both sides.
Add 6 to both sides. Okay, so what does that become?
-4.
Divide by 2, divide by 2, x
That's
equals
2.
-2.
Mhm.
All right, so that a little different than what you told me, but that's okay. Let's have you try another one here. Let's say it's a 9x minus 5 equals 6x plus 10. Okay, go ahead and solve this for me, please.
Mhm.
All right, so go ahead and work this one out. I'm gonna step away for a minute and we'll be right back with you.
Okay. X equals 5.
Okay, Sourish, I'm back. Sorry for the
I got
delay.
us a
Were you able
five
to-
X,
What's the answer?
5X.
No, the answer is like X equals a number.
Yeah, X equals 5.
X equals 5. Okay, let's take a look here. So you're gonna subtract 6X from both sides. 3X minus 5 equals 10. Add 5 to both sides. 3X equals 15.
Yep.
Divide by 3, X equals 5. Good. Okay, so now the next type of problems we were working on is where they are next type of problems we're working on is where there could be negatives involved. So you've got some things here, negative 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 8, we'll say. Okay. So this
Okay.
time, when you
It's with a
move,
negative.
yeah, you always move the smaller to the larger. And so the smaller is the minus 5x. Okay.
You have to add.
So you have to add that. So I want you to add that to both sides.
Mhm. -3.
So your answer is what?
I'm gonna get that answer. Hold on, let me solve this out.
Well, remember when you're adding 5x, positive here.
Seven. X equals 7.
So 1 equals 7x plus 8. What did you do next?
I just did the same thing.
Oh, I mean, you now look at the side with the variable. How do you undo
Yeah,
addition
now
by
you have to be able to subtract.
subtract what? What number do you subtract?
Wait, no, it's not now 7X. No. Oh, wait. Oh, okay.
It is 7x. You're adding
Sorry, but
2x
the
plus 5x. So look at the side with the variable, Sarge. 7x plus 8. How do you undo addition by 8?
Mhm. And now you have to subtract. You have to subtract, and then that's going to equal 1. X equals 1.
What is 1 minus 8?
-9.
Nope. Try again.
9.
Nope.
Hold
1
on.
minus 8.
That's -7.
-7. -7 equals 7x.
Mhm.
And then you divide by 7. So x
Mhm.
equals what? What is -7 divided by 7, Sarge?
That gives 1.
Does not give you 1. -7
Okay,
divided by 7.
-7 divided by 7. It's that's a -1.
That's -1. It's the difference between going forward and reverse when
Yeah,
you're driving.
yeah.
Very different. We got it. You don't want to be going forward when you should be going backwards and so on. It's how accidents happen. Okay, let's try another one here. minus 6x plus 8 equals 3x minus 4.
Mhm.
So go ahead and, actually, I'm sorry. I have one modification here. Sorry, that should be 6x. That will work out much better. Sorry about that. Go ahead and give that a try, please.
Mhm.
Be right back.
Okay. -4. I got the answer. Matthew? Matthew, the answer is x equals -4. Three x equals -4. The answer is 3x equals -4, Matthew. You're there, please. We need to get back to tutoring. Please. Matthew?
Hey, Sourish, sorry about that. I'm back. You solved this for me?
Yeah, what happened? Where were you?
Well, I had a really important phone call to take, so, and I
Well, we're
apologize.
too late. We're too late.
It's okay. We'll finish out this primer. So we'll subtract 8 from both sides.
You can't come out late because we're already almost time to go.
I get it. We're gonna finish this problem though. So we're gonna divide both sides by 3. And like you
Yeah,
said there, the
that's a
answer
-4.
is -4. Good. Do you want to do another problem before we close out today?
Yeah, another problem.
All right, let's do it. Let's go 2x minus 7 equals 6x plus 13. Okay, so go ahead and give this one a try, please.
Okay. -4x equals 5.
Okay, yeah, again, Sarge, it's like x equals a number when you're all done.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. So
and
x equals 5.
well, okay, that might be true. Now, did you move the 2x over? Remember,
Hmm.
you moved from the smaller to the larger.
Yeah, and then I have to add subtract, and then that equals 5.
So you subtract 13 from both sides. -20 equals 4x. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals
Yeah,
Right,
yeah, I
so-
was close, right? I was close.
Well, you got, I mean, close, is all relative, right? Like, if you miss the runway and, when you're coming down and you land on the grass, it's not as smooth as a taxi as, when you hit there.
Yeah,
You know,
so this is the two-step equations right here. This is the two-step equations.
Right, right. All
Yeah,
right, so we're gonna go ahead and call it here for today. We're gonna
yeah,
stop.
do not